Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Heather, and today we'll be exploring the best cheap patio floor ideas. Stick around as we dive into some fantastic, budget-friendly designs that are both functional and stylish. Let's get started. This patio space is a perfect blend of coziness and elegance. I love the use of string lights overhead. They create a warm, inviting ambiance. The brick flooring is an affordable and durable choice, adding a rustic charm that complements the greenery. The black and white rug adds a modern touch and helps define the seating area, while also providing a soft surface underfoot. The combination of cushions and lanterns with candles brings a soft, intimate feel. I appreciate the practicality of the wicker basket for storing blankets, making the space functional for cooler evenings. To enhance this setup, I would add a few potted plants with colorful flowers for a pop of color, and perhaps a small outdoor heater for extended comfort. I absolutely adore this patio space. The hanging daybed with its cozy patterned cushions is the perfect spot for relaxation. The use of a blue and white rug adds a stylish touch and defines the seating area beautifully. The exposed brick wall adds a rustic charm, complemented by the elegant sconces for warm lighting. The lantern and tray with potted plants on the coffee table add a charming, functional centerpiece. I appreciate the mix of greenery and flowers, bringing life and color to the space. To enhance this setup, I might add some sheer curtains for privacy and a ceiling fan for comfort during warmer days. The concrete floor is practical and easy to maintain, fitting seamlessly with the overall design. This patio setup is a wonderful example of understated elegance. I love the neutral tones of the seating area, which create a calm and inviting atmosphere. The wooden furniture is both sturdy and stylish, while the mix of patterned pillows adds a touch of personality. The woven pendant light and basket accessories introduce a natural, bohemian vibe that I find very appealing. The use of plants adds life and freshness to the space. The wood-look floor tiles are an excellent choice, providing a warm and cohesive look that's easy to maintain. To improve the space, I'd consider adding an outdoor rug to further define the seating area and enhance the cozy feel. A few more colorful cushions could also inject a bit more vibrancy. I am absolutely charmed by this patio space. The dark green sofa adds a luxurious touch, perfectly complemented by the cushions. The wooden pergola allows for hanging lights and climbing plants, creating a magical evening ambiance. The brick walls add rustic charm, while the hexagonal tile flooring is stylish, unique, and easy to clean. The small wooden table and decorative flowers add a cozy, personal touch. To enhance this setup, I would add an outdoor rug to anchor the seating area and some additional lighting for a warmer glow. This space is inviting and functional, perfect for relaxing or entertaining. I love this cozy patio setup. The hanging swing with plaid cushions is both charming and comfortable, perfect for relaxing. The patterned rug adds a touch of elegance and ties the space together beautifully. The wooden deck floor is a classic choice, providing warmth and durability. The side table with lanterns and plants adds functionality and style, making the space inviting. The small decorative items like the mannequin and fresh flowers sign give the porch a unique personal touch. To improve this area, I'd add a few more potted plants for extra greenery and maybe a soft throw blanket for added comfort on chilly evenings. This patio is ideal for enjoying a morning coffee or unwinding at the end of the day. I am thoroughly impressed with this vibrant patio design. The checkered floor is a bold statement, adding a dynamic and playful touch. I love the cozy chairs with faux fur throws and red cushions. They provide both comfort and a pop of color. The abundance of plants brings in a lush, natural feel, creating a mini oasis. The hanging lanterns and string lights add warmth and create a welcoming ambience, perfect for evening relaxation. The wooden ceiling and door add rustic charm, complementing the modern elements beautifully. To improve this space, I might add a small coffee table between the chairs for functionality. This patio is a stylish and comfortable retreat. I really appreciate the simplicity and elegance of this patio setup. The neutral tones of the wicker furniture create a cohesive and calming atmosphere, perfect for outdoor gatherings. The large umbrella provides ample shade, making the space comfortable during sunny days. I love the modern fire pit as a central feature. It's both functional and a great focal point for evening relaxation. The combination of stone pavers and gravel is a practical and low-maintenance choice, adding texture and visual interest. The scattered tall grasses and rocks enhance the natural feel without overwhelming the space. To improve this setup, I might add a few colorful cushions or a throw blanket to introduce some warmth and personality. This patio is ideal for both relaxing and entertaining. I love the modern, minimalist design of this patio. The white seating is sleek and stylish, creating a clean and open feel. The wooden coffee table adds warmth and balances the cool tones. The swings are a playful, unique feature, adding a touch of fun. The pergola provides shade and beautifully defines the space. The concrete floor is practical and easy to maintain. The simple decor elements, like the vases and subtle greenery, keep the focus on clean lines and functionality. To enhance this space, I might add colorful cushions for contrast and a cozy throw blanket for comfort. This patio is perfect for relaxing and entertaining. I adore this cozy patio with its natural, inviting vibe. The wicker furniture with white cushions is both comfortable and stylish, creating a relaxed atmosphere. The stone fireplace is a stunning focal point, perfect for cooler evenings. I love the hanging plants, which add a touch of greenery and freshness to the space. The wooden coffee table with a small plant centerpiece complements the natural elements beautifully. The light-colored tile flooring is a practical choice, keeping the area bright and easy to clean. To enhance this setup, I might add a few more cushions with different patterns for a pop of color and texture. This patio is ideal for both lounging and entertaining. I love the versatility and charm of this patio. The wooden pergola with string lights creates a cozy, inviting atmosphere perfect for evening gatherings. The dining set with an umbrella is great for outdoor meals, offering shade and comfort. The mix of wicker and wood furniture adds a natural, cohesive look. I appreciate the addition of curtains for privacy and the layered rugs for texture and warmth. The fire pit area with seating is ideal for relaxing and keeping warm on cooler nights. The concrete floor is practical and easy to maintain. To improve this space, I'd add a few colorful cushions and perhaps a couple of hanging plants for a touch of greenery. This patio is functional and stylish, perfect for entertaining. I'm really impressed with this cozy and stylish patio. The string lights overhead create a warm, inviting ambiance, perfect for evening gatherings. The black slatted wall adds a modern touch and provides a great backdrop. The mix of white and wicker chairs offers both comfort and style. I love the patterned rug, which ties the seating area together beautifully. The variety of plants adds life and a touch of nature, enhancing the overall look. The decorative bull skull and lanterns give a unique personal touch. The concrete floor is practical and easy to maintain. To improve this space, I might add a few more colorful cushions for a pop of color and extra comfort. This patio is ideal for relaxing and entertaining. I love the vibrant and welcoming feel of this patio. The black wicker furniture is classic and stylish, and the turquoise cushions add a lively pop of color. The green rocking chairs add a fun, nostalgic touch, inviting relaxation. The brick wall and planters with red flowers bring a charming, rustic element to the space. I appreciate the round table, perfect for social gatherings and outdoor meals. The light-colored tile flooring is practical and complements the overall design beautifully. The lush greenery and trees provide natural shade and enhance the cozy atmosphere. To improve this setup, I might add some string lights for evening ambiance and perhaps a few more colorful cushions for additional comfort. This patio is perfect for entertaining and relaxing. I'm impressed by the cozy and elegant design of this patio. The woven chairs with light cushions create a stylish and comfortable seating area. The mix of patterned and plain pillows adds visual interest and comfort. I love the stone tile flooring. It's durable and gives a natural, earthy feel. The small round table is perfect for holding drinks or decor. The ceiling fan is a great addition for keeping cool on warm days. The greenery adds life and freshness to the space, while the throw blankets add warmth and coziness. To enhance this setup, I might add some outdoor lanterns for evening lighting. This patio is perfect for relaxing with family or friends. I love the fresh and vibrant feel of this patio. The gray wicker furniture with light cushions creates a modern and comfortable seating area. The variety of purple flowers adds a beautiful pop of color, making the space feel lively and inviting. The patterned outdoor rug ties the area together, adding a touch of elegance and softness underfoot. The wall-mounted planter and potted plants enhance the vertical space and bring in more greenery. The throw pillows add extra comfort and style. To improve this setup, I might add some string lights for evening ambiance and a small coffee table for added functionality. This patio is perfect for enjoying a sunny day or relaxing with friends. I love the inviting and natural feel of this patio. The circular layout with the fire pit at the center is perfect for gatherings and cozy nights. The wicker chairs are comfortable and complement the natural surroundings. The brick pavers create a rustic and durable flooring, adding texture and warmth to the space. The surrounding greenery and flower beds enhance the outdoor experience, bringing in vibrant colors and a fresh atmosphere. I appreciate the small tables for added convenience, perfect for holding drinks or snacks. To improve this setup, I might add some outdoor cushions for extra comfort and a few lanterns for ambient evening lighting. This patio is ideal for enjoying the beauty of nature while relaxing with friends and family. Thanks for joining me on this tour of the best cheap patio floor ideas. I hope you found some inspiration for your own outdoor space. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home design tips and ideas. See you next time.